A lot of times we hear people say, I've said it myself, oh, if I could only go back in time, I could, cut out this, and just get directly to where I want to go. But would you? Would you have reached that end point had you cut out everything that happens on the journey in between point A to point Z? I think we forget sometimes that all of those hiccups in our plans, all of those detours, all of those uh, stallings or wrong turns or misinterpreted signs, they're all part of our growth.